Hello everybody, it's me the math tutor, and today I'll be teaching you how to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication for 4th grade. So first there'll be a number given. This is 24 times 24. So first you want to get this other number out of the picture. And then you want to do the two numbers over here that are across from each other. So we do 4 times 4, it equals 16. So put the 6 down here, and then carry the 1. And then we do the ones across from each other, parallel. So then we do 2 times 4 equals 8, and add the 1 up right here, and that will equal 9. So far we have 96. And before we do the 2, we're gonna have to put a 0 down here. 0 the hero. And then we wanna get this number out of the picture because we're no longer dealing with this number and its ones. Now we're gonna do 4 times 2, it equals 8. Since it equals a 1-digit number, we're not going to carry anything over. And then we're doing 2 times 2, and that equals 4. So far we have 400. So now we want to add these two. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 8 is 17. Carry the 1. And then 1 plus 4 equals 5. So our answer is 576. Now let's try another problem. So our problem is going to say 15 times 12. So we're going to remember, get this number out of the picture, and then we're going to do across. We're going to multiply across. Now we're going to do 5 times 2, and that equals 10. And then carry our 1, since it's a 2-digit number. Now we do 2 times 1, of course, equals 2, and then add our 1 right here, and that equals 3. So far we have 30. And remember, before we place that number down, we need to add a 0 right here. 0 the hero. And now we get this number and its ones out of the picture. And now it's just 15 times 1, and we know what that equals. 15. Zero plus 0 is, of course, 0. 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 1 plus nothing equals 1. And 180 is our answer. Now let's do another one. So this number is going to be 52 times 16. So remember, we're going to get this number out of the picture, and then we're going to do 2 times 6, and that will equal 12. And it's a 2-digit number, so we put the 2 here, and then add our 1. So 5 times 6 equals 30. And since we need to add our 1 right here, it'll be 31. So 31. And so far we have 312. And before we do our other multiplication, we need to add 0 the hero. And now we need to get this number, and it's out of the picture. And now we're just left with 52 times 1, and that equals 52. So 2 plus 0 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 5 equals 8. And this is our answer, 832. Now let's do 2 more. Now we're going to do a little bit big on numbers. So we're going to do 94 times 58. 4 times 8 equals 32. Get that number out of the picture. Since 4 times 8 equals 32 and it has 2 digits, we're going to do plus 3. Because the ones place is right here and the tens place goes above that 9. And then we do 9 times 8, which equals 72. 72 plus 3 equals 75. So we write that down. 75. And then we get this, and then we do 0 the hero. And then we get this number out of the picture. And it's 3. And then we do a cross. So we do a cross. So 4 times 5 equals 20. Gonna get that 0 down. Plus 2. And then 9 times 5 equals 45. And 45 plus 2 equals 47. And now we add these. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Carry the 1. And then 4 plus 1 equals 5. And there's our answer, 5,452. Now let's do one more. Let's do 32 times 42. Get this number out of the picture. Now we do 2 times 2 equals 4. We don't have to carry no 1 since it's a 1-digit number. Then we do 3 times 2 and equals 6. So far we have 62. Now we get this 2 out of the picture. And we stop crossing this one out. And now we do a cross. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Don't forget 0 the hero. 2 times 4 equals 8. So I put that down. And then 3 times 4 equals 12. And now we add these. 4 times 0 equals 4. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And 1 plus nothing equals 1. And here's our answer, 1,344. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, like a math master.